Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you two ways how to install add-ons in Google Drive. So what you want to do once you're inside Google Drive, guys, the first way is to right click on a particular file or folder or whatever it might be. So let's take this file as an example with the Range Rover here. I'm going to right click on that, and here you'll find the option open with, and you will go across and you'll see the option to connect more apps. Once you click on that, it's going to open up the add-ons, or let's say the Google Workspace marketplace, where you can install add-ons and you can find whatever add-ons that you want there. And from here you can easily go ahead and click on a particular add-on. Let's say I'm going to choose something for a picture. I can search, for example, and I can type, for example, photo, right? And I will find something, let's say photo editor. Let's choose this. I can click on that and I can simply click on install. Right now, the second way how to go about doing this is on the right hand side in your Google Drive. You will see this plus. If you click on it, it says, or if you hover over it, it says get add-ons. If you click on that, it's going to open up this marketplace as well, and you can go ahead and you can install a particular add-on. In this case, I'm just going to choose something. So let's type photos again, right, as an example, or photo, and let's basically choose this first option here and click on install. Then you want to click continue. It's going to go ahead and ask to select your email address and show you what kind of tools, or let's say access you have to give the photo editor to, and then go ahead and click on continue. And it's going to take a few seconds to install it, and then you can start utilizing that particular, let's say, add-on in your Google Drive or from your Google Drive, right? So you will go ahead and you click on done once it is done, and once you go back to your Google Drive, and from here you can easily go ahead and utilize apps that you've worked with. So as you can see here, I have Canva and so much more, and you can simply go ahead and connect apps as you wish, right? So that's how you go ahead and use apps. So I'm going to show you, for example, if I want to use Canva, I can open up Canva and it's going to load that picture right into Canva so that I can easily go ahead and, let's say, start edit my Range Rover. And there you have it, guys. This is how it will load in Canva. And yeah, that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. Very easy. And yeah, that's how you can go ahead and install apps, or let's say install add-ons in Canva. Those are the two quick ways.